Good morning, everyone. Vespa here. I thought I'd take a brief minute this morning to just clarify for you exactly what you are obligated to do versus what you can do in terms of the assignments and how the grading works. So in my Blackboard course here, if I go to course units and go to unit 1, you've already seen that in chapter 2 you had assignments for each section versus chapter 1 where it was mostly terminology, so I just threw everything into one assignment. And so in chapter 2, if I go to chapter 2 here, it'd say section 2.2, right? You had a few different things accessible to you. So the textbook readings, right? The way this works is in order to make everything available for you in one place here, Blackboard, to try to make it nice and organized so that you only have to go to one place. Yes, when you click on these MyMathLab links, they take you to MyMathLab, but this way you only ever have to go to Blackboard to access things. So in order to make this accessible for you here, I have to make it an assignment in Blackboard. That automatically makes it worth a point. The textbook readings will not be counted toward your homework grade. Okay, so you should be opening these. You should be glancing through the text, looking at terminology, looking at examples, but the points for these will not actually go toward your homework grade. It is my intent that you definitely be watching some lectures, so I've made the Professor Leonard videos available here on Blackboard. They're good ones. I like them quite a bit. That's why I've linked you to those. The actual publisher videos are available within the lessons themselves. So if I go to the section, again, in order to make them available, I have to make them part of an assignment, right? So you always see that in the assignments themselves, the media is over here on the left-hand side. And you get the point by simply clicking on the link, right? So if you're mostly watching the Professor Leonard videos, then watch those. And then when you're in the assignment, just click the links that'll give you the points for them. And then you can do the exercises over here, right? But it's the homework. The homework grade is the assignment, the section assignments themselves, right? So the points for the readings are not going to be counted toward your grade. Though you should be reading the text. Please make sure to be looking through it because we want to know our terminology. We want to be able to speak with the same language when we're referring to different things and doing problems. And then one final note for you. Your MyMathLab gradebook versus your Blackboard grades. Okay, so the gradebooks are synced, but I don't import all of the MyMathLab grades into Blackboard because things would get really messy. Okay, so what we will do in terms of the Blackboard gradebook is every couple of weeks I will update a homework average, and then especially once we've had a test, right, and the weightings change big time, right, I'll have test grades and homework averages in Blackboard so that you can see sort of your current average. But if I was to import all of the assignment grades, you can see already in your MyMathLab gradebook that it gets quite messy because there's lots of assignments technically. And so your Blackboard gradebook will consist just of homework grades, homework average, and then your test grades and quiz grades. So that's what will be here. Hopefully that makes some more sense and clarifies a couple of things for you. If you have any questions, again, please just let me know. Okay, shoot me an email and I'll be happy to respond.